So here in this problem, we need to determine the equation of the circle whose diameter is formed by the line segment connecting the points with coordinate -4, 3 and 12, -1. We will also need to obtain the y-intercept of this circle. So to solve this problem, we will be using the diameter form of a circle. So if we have a circle and the endpoints of the diameter of that particular circle is given to us, then the equation of the circle is going to be given by x minus x1 times x minus x2 plus y minus y1 times y minus y2 equals to 0. Now in the case, we have the 2 points A, -4, 3 and B, 12, -1. So these 2 points are the endpoints of the diameter. So we can use this formula, the diameter form, to obtain the equation of our circle. So we have x minus x1. So in our case, x1 is denoted by -4. So we have x minus -4 whole multiplied to x minus x2. So x2 value is 12. Added to y minus y1. So y1 is 3 here. So we have y minus 3. Multiplied to y minus y2. So y2 is -1. So we have y plus 1. And this will be equals to 0. Now when we expand it, we are going to get the equation x squared plus y squared minus 8x minus 2y minus 51 equals to 0. So this is going to be the required equation of our circle. So let's label this as number 1. We are not done yet. We are only done with the first part. Now we all also have to find out the x-axis intercept. That means to find the y-intercept. Y-intercept simply means that how much portion of the circle is cutting on the y-axis. So this means that if this is the Cartesian plane with the x and the y-axis, then the circle is going to intersect the y-axis. Our goal is to find out the y-intercept value. That means this particular distance. To find out the y-intercept, all you have to do is use x equals to 0. So that means our equation now becomes y squared minus 2y minus 51 equals to 0. Now this is a standard quadratic equation. We can use the quadratic formula to obtain the value of y. So y comes out to be equals to 1 plus or minus 2 times square root of 13. Now we are getting two values. That means one of the value is going to be 1 plus 2 times square root of 13. Let's say this is the upper point with coordinate a prime 0, 1 plus 2 times square root of 3. And then we have the coordinate of the lower point. Let's call it b prime. So this is b prime. So its coordinate point will be 0, 1 minus 2 times square root of 13. But we have to find out the y-intercept. That means we need the distance a prime, b prime. For this, what we'll do? We'll use the distance formula. So this will be simply equals to, we have 1 plus 2 times square root of 13 minus 1 minus 2 times square root of 13. So this is going to be the difference of the y coordinate. So we'll have to square it and add it to the difference of the x coordinate. The x coordinate is simply 0 because we are calculating the y-intercept. So we'll take the square root. And finally, this value is going to be equals to 4 times square root of 13. This is going to be the y-intercept, and the equation of a circle is going to be x squared plus y squared minus 8x minus 2y minus 51 equals to 0.